Hello friends, I am Rajinder Jatana on this side. I am bringing elementary operations or transformations. So with the help of this, we will be able to find the inverse of the matrix. And I am using lot of mnemonics to make it understandable so that you are able to attempt the question with quite ease. So I am coming up with my notes. Thank you very much. Hello friends. I am Rajinder Jatana. I am coming up with my notes on elementary operations or transformations. The first mnemonic is EOT. E stands for elementary, O stands for operation, T stands for transformation. Now the mnemonic is emergency operation theater. E stands for emergency, O stands for operation, T stands for theater. एंड हर एक ऑपरेशन थिएटर में इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स होते हैं, यहाँ पे भी हैं. Mnemonic second will explain you the tools which are being used for the operation. IMA, Indian Military Academy. I stands for interchange. So there are two types of operations, either row operations or column operations. So interchange of rows or columns. M stands for multiplication of rows and columns by a scalar. A stands for addition of rows or columns. So we will be using these instruments for conducting the operation. Now let us go further. When you have to go for row operation, you have to dial row or column operation. You have to dial 10. You have to write A, the given matrix whose inverse we want to find out with the help of elementary operations. You have to write it A is equal to IA. When you are applying column operations, then A is equal to AI. अब देखिए कैसे याद रखना है. IA is Indian Airlines. इंडियन एयरलाइंस में एयर होस्टेस कहती है आईए. इंडियन एयरलाइंस में बोलती है एयर होस्टेस आई से चालू करो. इंडियन एयरलाइंस एयर होस्टेस कहती है आइए. अब दूसरी फ्लाइट है, कॉलम ऑपरेशंस करते हैं. यू हैव टू बोर्ड एयर इंडिया. एयर इंडिया में एयर होस्टेस बोलती है ए आई. नो सेम वे, if there is a 3 by 3 matrix, you have to dial 100. Now look here. यहाँ पे आपको डायल 10 कैसे था, आपको यू टर्न लेनी है. देखिए यहाँ पे 1 0 लाइक दिस, 1 0 0 1 0. सबसे पहले आपको 1 बनाना होता है. उसी 1 की हेल्प से, 1 इज गॉड, परमात्मा की हेल्प से यहाँ पे 0 बनाना होता है. 1 की हेल्प से यहाँ पे 0 बनाना होता है. देन यू हैव टू गो लाइक दिस. अब यहाँ पे आपको 1 बनाना होता है. जो भी लिखा हो उसी को उसी नंबर से डिवाइड कर दो, 1 बन जाता है. सो देन विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस 1 यू हैव टू मेक इट 0. सेम वे, अगर कॉलम ऑपरेशन करने हैं तो यू हैव टू मूव लाइक दिस. रो ऑपरेशन करना है तो यू टर्न लेना है. यहाँ पे है स्लीपिंग यू लेना है. नो 3 by 3 में डायल 100. A is equal to IA in case of row operations and A is equal to AI in case of column operation. देखिए 1 0 0 हो गया 100. सो डायल 100. First of all, you will make 1 here in this corner. Divide same number by same number. It will become 1. And with the help of 1, make it 0, 0. Now go here, make it 1. With the help of this one, make it this and this zeros. Go to this column, make here 1. With the help of 1, make it 0, 0. पहले 1 बनाना है, फिर 0, 0. That is 100. So dial 100. You have to dial 100 for a 3 by 3 matrix. I hope you might have understood these magic mnemonic tricks. And with the help of that, the questions will become very, very easy. I shall be coming up with some examples. Most of the questions in your NCERT books are 2 by 2, and there are few questions on 3 by 3. And most of the time, one question definitely comes. Thank you very much for viewing my videos. I'll request you to please share this among your friends. Thank you. Bye.